Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who purchased from my Black Friday sale this past weekend. And if you missed out on any of our products, a lot of our products have restocked and will be restocking in the next couple of days. So stay tuned for that, and you can purchase any of our products at miriamhampton.com. And you can follow us on Instagram at MHHairGrowth. Also, my course 0 to 100K is now available. You can purchase it on my site, miriamhampton.com. In this course, I will teach you how to start your own e-commerce business and make 5 to 6 figures per month. I teach you everything you need to know, from LLCs, trademarks, marketing, ads. I'll put the link down below in the description box so you guys can check it out and join my e-course now available. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I prep and prepare my products for shipment, how I ship out thousands of orders per month. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. Okay, so first things first, you want to make sure that the area that you're working on is completely sanitized, and I'm just spraying a little bit of the Clorox bleach onto my kitchen counter, and I'm going to go ahead and clean the entire kitchen counter. And I also like to lay down a plastic bag just in case there are any spills or anything like that may occur. Alright, so today I'm going to be sharing with you how I prep the Maximum Strength Hair Growth Oil. All of my other products have already been prepped and ready to go. This was like a couple of days before Black Friday, so I had to make sure that everything was ready and prepared. Alright, so I'm using this machine that I purchased off Amazon to put the products into my bottles, and this machine is really cool. It was kind of pricey, like $200 or something like that, but I think it saved me a lot of time because before I had this machine, I was actually using like small little funnels to put the oil into the bottles, and it just took forever. So this machine does save a lot of time. So what I'm doing here is I'm just putting the oil into the machine, and then I can just take the little bottles, and once I pull the lever, the oil would distribute into the bottles. Now this machine is very convenient and saves a lot of time, but I will say that this machine will start to hurt your arm after a while. Like, I can't do it for too long because my arm starts hurting very, very much. I actually have to ask Tony to like step in, or usually he does the whole process, just because it just hurts me too much to have to do this. But it does take a lot less time than using those small little funnels. And another thing about this machine is that it is a hassle to clean, and you must clean it after every single use. So it takes a lot to clean this machine. You actually have to take it all apart. And if you want to like use other products, like if I was to use it, my conditioners or anything like that, I have to always clean it because you don't want any type of cross-contamination or anything like that. And I always make sure that I wear plastic gloves and a plastic cap or either a bonnet or something like that over my hair, because I don't want any of my hair getting into my clients' and customers' products. So this process usually takes a couple of hours. I usually will just turn on some music or something like that and just listen to the music. It helps the time go a lot faster. But like I said, like after a while, my arm starts hurting, like really, really bad. I don't know if it's because I just don't have that much upper body strength or what, but like this machine is definitely a freaking workout because it will start hurting after a while. Okay, so after I'm done putting the oil into the bottles, I will just put the tops on every single last bottle and make sure that the tops doesn't make the oil overflow or anything like that. All right, so now it is time to put on the labels. So the labels for these bottles aren't that difficult to put on, but for some of my other products, they can be a little bit more tricky. I'd like my labels to be perfect, but they never come out perfect, which is so frustrating to me. But anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the labels on every single one of these products, and then I can move on to the next step, which is sealing up the bottles. And I designed the labels myself. I really like the way the design looked and the way it came out, so I'm really happy with that. And this oil has 39 of the most potent all-natural oils and herbs that will help to promote scalp stimulation and promote hair growth. So this is one of my favorite products, and a lot of my customers love this product and have seen amazing results. You can check out our review section on our site, miriamhampton.com. All right, so the next step is to seal the oils. And I like sealing my oils because I don't want any type of leakage or anything in the shipping process. So I will go ahead and put the seals on all of the oils, and then I will take my heat gun and seal them up. All right, so this is how the oil should look once the seals are on, the labels are on. It looks great. Now on to the shipping process. Now this is something that usually takes me all day, maybe into the next day. It takes a really long time for me to package up all of these packages and ship them out to you guys. So as you guys know, a lot of my products are glass, like the oils are glass. So with those products in particular, I just use a lot of bubble wrap. Like I have so much bubble wrap just sitting around because I know that I'm gonna need a lot, because I don't want the packages to get to my customers and it be broken when it gets to them, because at the end of the day, that is me losing money, because I will either have to refund the customer or I will have to send them out another bottle. So I make sure those oils in particular have a lot of bubble wrap surrounding it. So there are a few ways that you can do your orders, but I find this way to be the easiest and the quickest. So I print out all of my labels, and then I would just go back to each order number, and because the order number is on the labels, and then I will see what the customer purchased, and then I will put those purchases or those items in the package, and then I will sell it up and then put the label on top. So that way everybody gets the correct thing that they ordered, and there isn't any mix-ups or anything like that. So I put everything into the box that the customer ordered and make sure that it is thoroughly packaged up well enough to ship. And people, especially my overseas customers, or anything that has to go through customs, those people at customs just be throwing packages around all type of ways. So I make sure that the packages are packaged up well, and I always put like a couple of fragile stickers on there if it has like glass bottles in it or anything like that. And then I will put my picture in there as well. So basically that's just like saying a thank you card, saying thank you for your purchase. And it has my Instagram on there, so any of my customers can follow me on Instagram. So about a day later, 22 hours later, I am finished with all of the Black Friday orders. So these are all of the orders from Black Friday, not including pre-order items and not including Cyber Monday items. So yeah, these are all the orders. I broke 2 nails in the process, but we made it, y'all. We had a successful Black Friday. So we actually had to take all of these orders to the post office ourselves, just because I tried to schedule a pickup and I realized that I had way more items than they actually allow for scheduled pickups. So we took it to the post office, and normally when you have like a lot of packages, they'll tell you to go around to the back and they'll give you a huge cart to put all your packages in. And that is how I ship my packages. Okay guys, so that was my first ever Black Friday business experience as a business owner. So we are done. I tried to schedule a USPS pickup, but they wouldn't allow me to do it. So I'm just gonna take all these orders to the post office. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and start to look up my day-to-day life. And you can follow me on Instagram at Miriam J. Hampton, or my business page at MH Hair Growth. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.